Hello, today I'll show you how I created my Makossa beat using my keyboard. Now this may vary in other keyboard models, but for this Yamaha PSRO E433, this is how I did it. Now if you look very closely, you see song, style and voice. First thing we need to do is to set the voice. The voice will be the drum kit, so that's in 207, voice 207, okay, 208. So this is the drum kit. Now let's get my kick. Okay, this is my snare, and this is my kick. So my kick and my snare. Okay, so the next thing is for us to actually record this voice. Now in this particular keyboard, I go to song, and in the song, after the normal song, let me play this. This is the first one. Okay, so that's it. You go to the last part. You see user 1 to 10. So this user interface, it means you can actually record any voice onto it. So let's choose user 10 for instance. Now let's see, let's play it. Now that's what I actually recorded initially. Now I want to record on top of it. I want to overwrite this recording. So we are user 10. Now what you do, you come to this side of the keyboard, you see record. If you click, now we are still in our voice. Okay, so you click record and it starts recording. So now anything you play on this keyboard will be recorded. So let's play something. So that's it. Then you press stop, then it will save. To save, you see writing on the keyboard. Okay, now it's saved. So now if I play it back, you see, okay, so now that's the way you record your voice on the keyboard. In this particular keyboard, there are different ways of doing it in other keyboard. When I get in touch with my other keyboard and the one in church, I will record a video of how to save beats similar to this, something similar to this. Thank you for watching, and you can drop your comments on how you create your own beats using your particular keyboard. Thanks. God bless you.